This is an albrightsupply.com website tutorial. After logging into your account, you're ready to place an order. There are a couple of ways to look for items. The first way is to click on Products. This will take you to the category page where you can begin your search. This is particularly useful if you're not entirely sure what you want or if you just want to browse through what we offer. The second way to find what you're looking for is to use the search key. If you have the part number of the product, you can type it in here, but you can also search by keywords such as blue marine vinyl or screws. Once you find what you're looking for, visit the product page by clicking on the title. Scroll down to check the quantity available. Type the quantity you want into the box and click Add to my shopping cart. Please note that the website will allow you to order more than the quantity available, but it will likely cause delays on your entire order. Once you're finished adding all the items to your cart that you wish to order, click on the basket icon in the black bar at the top of your screen and click Place Order. On the order checkout screen, you can confirm your billing address and shipping address. Once the shipping address is entered, you can choose from the available shipping methods. If your company uses purchase orders, please enter the number in the purchase order number box. If you have any special shipping instructions, such as leave at back door, please feel free to enter those in the shipping instruction box. You can then review your order. If you realize something is wrong, you can click the blue Modify My Order button. If everything looks satisfactory, proceed to payment information. Once your payment is taken care of, click the I agree to sales terms and conditions checkbox, then click the red Confirm My Order button. You will be taken to an order confirmation screen with your order number on it. You will also receive an order confirmation in your email. Once that's done, we will fulfill and ship your order and then update you on the tracking information. Thanks for choosing Albright Supply.